in the salty seas, and I am on the side enough to break a young thing's heart who lately was a bride, who lately was a bonny bride with passion in her eye. But the lowlands of Holland have parted my love and I. I'll wear no mantle across my back, nor combs all in my hair, no fire bright nor candlelight shall show